Hi, I'm John Ford from Sultan's Brokerage. We're going to have a look on board Princess V39 Shirley Mac. She's a 2015 build. She's got 391 hours on the motors. She's been very well cared for by Princess Service, and she's lying down here down in Sultan's Marina. Let's have a look on board. So here she is, 2015, fitted with a twin 330 horsepower. So they're the most popular engines for this model of this year. So this the V39 was built until 2017, so it's a later 2015 model, and the model was actually introduced in 2012. So she's fitted with a high-low bathing platform, popular option for the V39s and the V40s. So the hydraulic bathing platform, touch a button and she drops down into the water. So swim bathing platform, as well as a rise and fall for your tender as well. So it just sits on the dinghy chocks just there. You can see this has all been freshly cleaned, the teak, and the boat's been fully polished as well. So she's looking gleaming, beautiful, ready to go. You've got the large locker in there, so you've got the storage locker there on the bathing platform, and then plenty of space on this bathing platform down here. Low level lights you'll see either side here, and then we've got the shore power that comes in there. The steps up onto the port side, and on the starboard side down here we've got the shower low level lights down there. You see the stainless steel, and the nice princess door as you come up into the cockpit. So if you've got young children or pets, then it gives you a bit of security there. And then we step up into the cockpit. So all I've done is taken the back section off the canopy off here, and you see that the upholstery, the materials, the teak, it's all really beautifully presented. So this model here is asking £299,000, brand new one today. Same boat, just showed you the video of the differences between the V40 and the V39. It is the same boat, the same model as the V40, apart from the windows and the mirror down below and a few other changes they made over the years. And a new boat will cost you £850,000 now. So we've got the table that folds out there that will extend out, and we've also got a heating outlet here into the cockpit, so it gives you all-round winter boating as well. And then if I come across on this side over here, we've got the wet bar with the stainless steel sink just over here, top loading fridge, which is massive. Put some drinks in there, no problems. A bin in there, storage space just down below, just down here as well. And then a big old storage locker down here, currently being used for the life raft. Really useful, that storage locker there. And then as you come round, hopefully the images will show, it's just beautifully presented, this boat. It's in really good order. And then we come onto the helm position here. So I've taken the sunroof back here, so that will just press of a button slide forward. The sunroof has only recently been replaced, so we've got an outer cover on that. It's in really good order. And then on the helm position here, if I just sit up here on the helm, you've got all the basics are covered here. So we've got autopilot, chart plotter, radar, bow thruster, and then it's all been really well cared for on board here. Magnetic compass, and all your electrical switches here, downlighters, low level lights, etc., and your navigation lights down there as well. We've got your trim tab controls just here, and a VHF as well. Got the owner's manual here. You know, the boat's all ready to go, so you can see everything there. If you wanted to keep a chart or any information down here, you've got a chart table just there as well. And then when you're up cruising anywhere, you've got the seats just over here on the port side as well, or a chaise longue. Popular area for sunbathing here, gives you a bit of privacy. And then we'll drop down below. So let's come down. We'll come down the steps and come and have a look at the saloon. So if you've been looking at these boats, you'd be familiar with the options. So we've got a colour scheme on here. So we've got a lovely cherry gloss down here, so it reflects some of the light. And also we've got the light all streaming down through here and in through the windows as well. And then if I come back through here to have a look at your galley area here, so we've got our sink here. You've got a popular option on here with the gas oven with a 3 burner on there, so it's nice and simple in terms of that. And then also you've got your microwave down here, microwave oven. Fridge just in there, so you can see nice and clean with a fridge with a freezing compartment in there for your ice, etc. Controls here for your heating and your 7-day timer, and then all your electrical controls are managed here off this board here. So we've got our AC, we've got our DC, engine start, etc. Is all just there. You've also got in this cabinet here, we've got a Fusion sound system on board here, and also we've got our own onboard Wi-Fi control here and controls here for your Onan generator. Plenty of storage space, so we've got all the cutlery, etc., and underfloor storage just down here as well. And then just over here, we have got flat screen TV fitted and a drinks cabinet just down below down there as well. So let's start with the forward cabin. So if I come on through here, we just come forward into the forward cabin just here, and again everything is really well presented. We've got wardrobe space just in there, so lots of hanging space. We've got storage space up top down here, reading lights back here, and you can also open up the roof if you wanted to get some air in. Opening portholes either side as well, so port and starboard, and then we've got the blinds down here as well. So you've got your Jack and Jill doors, so you've got your day access through to the heads, and also the forward cabin comes as an ensuite access as well. So proper walk-in shower, as we know we get with the V40 and the V39s, and everything's looking really clean and tidy. Smells really fresh as well. This boat it's only been lightly used. And if I come back through here, we'll come back through and have a look at the mid cabin as well. So we've got the sofa in the mid cabin in here, heating outlet just down below down here with a 3-pin plug, big windows with a porthole here as well. And if I just sit down on the sofa down here, and then you can sort of fully appreciate the size and space you get, and the finish and the materials in here as well. So this one has the fixed bed, so you've got a fixed twin bed on this one rather than the beds that slide across on here. And also you got a nice big window down the other end down there as well, down on the starboard side, and plenty of storage space in this cabinet just in here as well. So storage space, hanging space, and also you see the storage space in those sections just back there. So let's finish off with, if we're going to take you back, and then we're going to have a look on looking aboard the engine room. So engine access just through the hatch here, so I can just do that with one hand. It's being used as a little bit of storage space. I think I'll put this down here, a board down here as well. So we've got Onan generator, so we've got a 4 kilowatt generator on board here, and then we've got the twin D6 motors, 330 horsepower. So this boat's had an exceptional service history because it's been serviced by Argo Princess previously, and it's only recently been polished here by the team down here down in Sultans. So the boat's been freshly anti-fouled, polished, and it is ready to go. So there we have it, Princess V39 Shirley Mac. She's available to view. She's down here down in Sultans Marina. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe. Please press the subscribe button. There's more videos coming your way and you'll be the first ones to see them. And if you're interested in this particular boat, please call the team. Any of the team can show you on board. She's down here available to view. She's looking fantastic and she's ready to go, and she's sensibly priced. A rare thing. So give us a call. I don't think she's going to be available for long. Thank you very much.